Boy, I'm so glad I ain't gotta deal with that shit. That shit. Hey, that shit.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be down.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out. Ease out.
For me, creativity starts with
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down.
What's up, you guys? Today is Friday and it is a new start and a new vlog. I uploaded the move-in vlog part 1 this morning. It was supposed to go up last night, but it didn't finish uploading, and I didn't know that till this morning. So I'm trying to talk to Google because I'm trying to set up my Google Nest Hub and it's not working. So I'm currently on hold with them. So today's vlog, so this is going to be probably a start of a weekend vlog. Yesterday I put most of my clothes away. I hung them up and everything. Like, we haven't got our dresser yet. Hold on. Okay, before I was really interrupted, I had got a call from work. But yesterday I hung up my clothes, and as I was stating, we haven't got our dresser yet, so we're literally just living out of bins. Not living out of bins, but we still have closets hung up most of our clothes and everything like that. So today after work I have to go to the store because I have to finish doing the bathroom. Thought that they had answered, but I have to finish doing the bathroom. I need some more baskets because I only got 3. That's all that they had, so I have to go back to the store and get some more. Hopefully they got some more in. But other than that, I just got done eating. It is like I don't know what time it is, but on my lunch break I will be taking a shower because this morning I didn't have time to do it because, as you guys seen, I woke up, did my skincare, brushed my teeth and everything, and I cleaned the bathroom because it needed to be cleaned, and then I jumped right on the phone for work. So on my lunch break I have to take a shower. And again, I have to tell y'all, our refrigerator do not get freaking cold. Like, our freezer is not freezing anything. Like, it's not keeping our water, like, we have had water in the freezer since we moved in here and it's still not froze. And I put ice in there and the ice is not froze. So I called them and I told her that we need a new refrigerator. So they came in here and looked at it and they was like, yeah, you're gonna need a new fridge and everything, but I didn't ask, you know, when I'm gonna get it and when they gonna bring it and stuff like that, because I was on a call. I was at work at the moment. So if they don't come back at least by, it's 12 o'clock now, at least by 2-3 o'clock, then I'm gonna call them to see what they're gonna do, because we have to go grocery shopping tomorrow and I'm not putting my groceries that I spent my hard-earned money on in a refrigerator that doesn't keep my food cold. That's just ass backwards and pointless. So hopefully they could get a new refrigerator in here by today so we won't have any issues tomorrow. And yeah, I'm praying and I'm hoping that they can get it done either today or early tomorrow morning, because we have a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. But today I am focused on, like, we have to take our bins back to our parents' house because we have a storage out here, but I don't think they're gonna fit. So I'm gonna try to put them in there, but if some of them don't fit, then we're just gonna take them back. And yeah, I have to clean the room, vacuum the floors, and I also have to get a few things from Amazon because, as I stated in the last vlog, I will be redoing my whole kitchen. All of that brown ugly, that will not be here. Hopefully the next vlog will be me actually doing it and remodeling it. The countertops and everything will not be white, they will be a different color. But like I said, I can't do any of that until they come get this refrigerator, because to be honest with you, I asked my landlord if I could, like, put, when we first came and seen the apartment, I asked, can I, like, put like wallpaper and stick and peel on the cabinets if I don't like the way they look or whatever. She was like, no, you can't. Who? I'm living in this hole, and it's gonna come right off. It's gonna come right off. So with that being said, I am still going to be doing it, but I don't want no issues doing it if they have to come in here and do the refrigerator and get the refrigerator out of here. So like I said, matter of fact, I'm about to call now to see if they're gonna be replacing it today or tomorrow. So because I will be ordering the stuff from Amazon either today or tomorrow, so it'll be here next week so I can start that process. I'm so excited to do that. And y'all remember our old apartment? Our old apartment didn't have no natural lighting. Look at this. And in our bedroom we have a whole bunch of lighting, so I'm excited about that as well. So yeah, y'all, I'm finna go ahead. I'm not getting any calls right now. I probably only got 3 or 4 calls today since I started working. So I'm about to try to see if I can put these bins and everything in this closet out here, and then I'm going to vacuum. I also have to see what type of pillows that I want for the couch, because the pillows that we had, I don't know what the hell I did with them. I probably threw them away or gave them to my dog because I didn't like them anyway. And then the kitchen is my first priority with getting done, and then the living room with the wallpaper and everything. I think I'm only going to put it on this wall right here. And then we are getting the entertainment system for the TV, so I can hide all of those cords. Like, look at those. That is hideous. That's super ugly. So yeah, you guys, our mattress still isn't here. It's gonna take a few weeks to come because it was on back order. So we are sleeping on the air mattress for right now, and because the other mattress that we had, we wasn't bringing it. I just left it at my dad's house. I let my dad have it because I didn't want to bring it in here and then get a new mattress and then have to find some way to get rid of it. So I left it there, and we have no problem sleeping on the air mattress. I mean, no problem. I'm just trying to hear that phone, so if they pick up, because I need to get that fixed. I don't know what's wrong with it. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and say good morning, well, good afternoon, and then I'm about to start trying to see if I can fit some bins in there. Hopefully I can, so I can get it out this living room, everything like that. So if you're new here, hey girl, my name is Soraya. Welcome to my channel. As stated in the last vlog, if you didn't watch it, go back and watch that, because we are staying consistent this year, okay? This go round, please excuse my voice if I sound a little sick. I'm getting over a cold. Because this go round, we are staying consistent, okay? Okay, so with that being said, I'm finna go ahead and get myself together. Like I said, so my job goes off Eastern Standard Time, and I go to lunch at, oh, I need to charge this. I go to lunch at 1:30. So in about 20 minutes, I'll be taking my shower and everything. So hopefully I'm gonna get this stuff done by the time I get in the shower. So where's my, let me put some shoes on. My room is a mess, stuff everywhere. And then, y'all, I had got a Tiffany gift card from my mom for Christmas, and I need to go to Tiffany so I can get something. Okay, what's up, y'all? So they came in here. Well, first of all, I just got out the shower. Took me a quick little shower because within the 30 minutes I was on my lunch. I was on the phone with Google trying to set up the Nest Hub, and that took damn near 15-20 minutes. And then before that, they came in here and brought this ugly ass refrigerator in here. But I'm not gonna complain because they ordered another one and they're bringing it on Monday or Tuesday. So I'm not gonna complain. We just gotta keep it for the weekend. As long as it keeps my food nice and cold, nice and froze, there's no issue. Okay, so like I said, I just got out the shower. Let me turn off these lights. And now I'm about to go ahead and try to put these bins in the closet out there. I'm back at work, but I haven't got any calls. So I'm gonna try to do it now, and then I'm gonna clean up the living room and get all of this stuff together, hopefully before he gets back, because he had to go to his job for something, but he's gonna be coming back. And then I'm gonna go ahead and order the things off Amazon that I need for the kitchen, and I'll just be at work after that. So yeah, and this memory card needs to be changed because it's about to get full. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wait till this fill up, and then I'm gonna change it, and then I will have to go get another one because that's my last one that I have. So I have to empty out this bucket. Look at my room. Look at my room. Lord Jesus, help me. I have to empty out this bucket because I'm gonna try to see if it could fit, but I wanna put these hangers in another bin somewhere, because, and then I don't want to put them in the closet because I might need them in the future, and then I don't want to have to go out there and take everything out for stuff to fit. So let me take all of this stuff out here. My peel thing, I thought I put that in the bathroom. Okay, so I'm gonna take this in there. Let me put this in the bathroom. This lighting is freaking horrible in here. I don't know if it's the light bulb, but that has to go. So put this. And y'all, I have to get a shoe rack or something to put our shoes, because we don't walk on carpet. We don't walk in the house with shoes on, period, unless it's our house shoes. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and put this. Let me set y'all down right here so y'all can see. Put this here, and then I'm gonna put this lid this way, and then this lid on here. Now I'm sure there's some things that could go in here, but I just don't know what at the moment. Let me take my chair out. Them calls come in at the worst time. So as y'all see, let me put this box. I got my Keurig box. I'm gonna see if it can fit in here, just so if it's out of the way, so I don't have to worry about this. Stick in here, close it up. And then I'm gonna put it in this thing right over here. You can feel it. Yes, right in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. Now hopefully it can fit. So I put it in there, as you guys could see. Close this door. We have some boxes out here that we gotta throw away. So this stays closed. hopefully. Okay, so that's out of my way. Now with this one, he gonna have to take this one back because I think it could fit. Actually, let me go try, but I'm gonna put some boxes in there so it's just not empty. If you know, you know these hangers are expensive and I'm not just gonna throw them out. So I'm gonna find a place for them. I have a lot too, like a lot left over. And I think I have enough in the closet, extra ones in there, just in case I need them. Because I do have a lot of jackets and hoodies and stuff. Yeah, I have. I need to get some plug-ins. I hope there's a plug-in here. This is the closet space. This is my side. This is his side, and we have this perfumes. I'm putting my jewelry and stuff in that. So yeah, that should be. And then this air mattress, y'all, we bought this air mattress and it has a hole in it, but we're not throwing it away because that could easily be fixed. up, you guys? Don't kill me. We left and we went shopping for some stuff, and I left my camera at home. It was on accident, and we was not planning on being gone that long, but of course I'm gonna do a haul of the stuff that I got. We went to Target, Home Goods, and Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree to see if I could find some more baskets for the bathroom, but I didn't find any. So, and they didn't have any. So from Dollar Tree, of course, he got his cigarettes, which is these. Close them blinds. We got some batteries, and I got some of these, like some little ice cream bars, just for us to snack on. And yeah. So we're gonna do the Target. We went to Target twice. Y'all, I've been seeing these all over TikTok. So I finally found them. I got the last one. One for...
You got a bag?
A bag?
Yeah.
A bag for what?
Like, a bag. I just use one of those. Okay.
Okay, you guys, before I was really interrupted by my camera battery saying... I mean, not my battery, my SIM card. So as I was saying, I got these from Target for $5. We're gonna stick on with the Target. And I got this hook for our closet so we can put our robes and stuff on. And I also found, I finally got this this vanilla fragrance that everybody's been talking about from Target. It's by Mix Bar, so hopefully I like that. Moving on, I got some micellar water. This, I got some Dr. Bronner's soap. The next thing, we got some hand soap for the bathroom and the kitchen. We should have got 2 of those. And then I also got some of this Healthy Smile mouthwash stuff. The next thing, I got this, we got this rug. It's getting all over the table. But it says, oh, hello. It was only $13, y'all, at Target. I thought they would be more expensive than that. So I got that as well. Let's continue with the Target stuff. This is your stuff. Where's the trash bags? I don't know. Where you put them? No, they weren't on the table. Well, look in there somewhere and turn off the heat while I fucking pass out for the good. Okay, so moving on from Home Goods. See, I got these, but one of them is going back because I got that one. And I got this for $4.99 at Home Goods. And I have one, just another one just like this, but that one is gonna go back since I don't need it anymore. And that one is in here, so I'm not even gonna unwrap it. And then we found some black. Why is this on? Cause I turned it on and I didn't turn it on. And then I got a set of black bowls for $5. Most of everything that I got from Home Goods was on clearance, so that is. Let me bring y'all closer. So this is the set of bows. It's a four set, just some regular black bows. And y'all, I found these black. Your mama looks like a fucking bowl. Look at these glasses, you guys. Look at these. These are so cute. And they were $7. I had to get them. Let me see if I can open it up. Look at these.
You showing them everything I picked up?
Look how cute these are.
You showing them everything I picked up?
Be quiet. Like, look at this detailing on here. Hopefully it can focus. Like, look at that. That is gorgeous.
OMG.
You're so annoying. So I got these. This is a set of 6, I think. Yeah, a set of 6 glasses. I gotta wash them and put those away. Like I said, for $7. Let me put these glasses in. The next thing that I got, we got a rug for the bathroom because we needed one desperately. Oh, we got a rug. Y'all can't even freaking see. Okay, let me just put this away. So we got a rug for the bathroom, a water resistant rug, a water absorbing rug, one for, you know, the sink and one for the tub. And it's white, of course. Next thing, y'all, I found these. My mama has inspired me to get some of these and use them like for iced coffee or juice or whatever. I got 2 of these. Y'all, these were on clearance. Like I said, mostly everything that I got except for the rug was on clearance. I got 2 of these, the last 2. Super cute. Both $5.99. I got this paper towel holder. I was gonna get like the standard one, but I'm trying to keep as much stuff off of my counter as possible. So I got this one that I could just hang up under the cabinet. Real simple. And this was $7.99. Get going somewhere. And then the last thing that I have is an egg bin. $5.99, just a simple egg bin. So yeah, that's it. And that is it for my little haul. But yeah, you guys, we are finna call it a night. We ate dinner. We ate at Applebee's just because we were out, and that was the easiest thing, honestly. So now it's time to chill because I cleaned up earlier, so I won't have to do it now. Matter of fact, I need to go in that room and I need to clean up. I'm tired of cleaning up. I'm tired of cleaning up. So yeah, you guys, I'm about to put all of this stuff away, and then I'm calling it a night. It's probably like, what time is it? 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock, and I'm tired, y'all. Like, I usually be in bed by this time, not even gonna lie. But since it's the weekend, he want to stay up like a wild child. Like, how cute are these juice things? And they're big. How many ounces? This is a 54-ounce jar, and I got 2. So I'm gonna have one for like my coffee and one for maybe like orange juice or something like that. So yeah, y'all, I'm finna put this stuff away, and then I'm going to bed. I might clean up in there, I might not, I don't know, I've decided. But yeah, y'all, so I will be back tomorrow. Bruh. Look what the fuck just happened. This thing just broke. Now I gotta find another fucking thing. Like, what the hell? Oh. Good morning, you guys. Today is Saturday and it is 9:53. And I woke up at like 8. My boyfriend is gone already. He had to go do something with his job again, child. And so on today's agenda, of course, we're going grocery shopping. When I woke up this morning, I cleaned up my room because of course it was a mess, and I'm not leaving the house if my house is not clean. That's one of the goals of mine for 2022, is to keep my space clean, because it just makes me feel better. Like last night I could barely sleep because I went to sleep in a dirty room. So I got up this morning and I cleaned up my room, and I straightened up the bathroom, And that was pretty much it, because everything else is already clean. So like I said, we're going to go to the grocery store today. I have to go find, as y'all seen last night, excuse my edges, I can't find my gel. I think my sister stole my gel, so I have to get some more. So, and matter of fact, let me sit here and get this tripod, because I said I would have it in this video. So let me go to Amazon, because I already got it in my cart. I already got it in my cart. I need to park because I gotta put my new address in and stuff. So let me do that. I should have did it before I even pulled off. So hold on, y'all. I just pray and I hope I don't have any issues when it comes to getting stuff delivered to the house, because I've always had that issue. So yeah, my new address is not in here, so let me add it. What was I saying? I'm gonna go ahead and order this. Damn it, and I think I took my thing, my card off of here. Oh, with the fudge. So it'll be here Monday. I'm gonna go ahead and place the order. Okay. So y'all can drill me in the comments. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but I have had this sore throat. It's not necessarily a sore throat. It's just I have had mucus and a stuffy nose since I got over my little sick cold or whatever I had. And I still have this stupid ass throat issue, dry throat and stuffy nose, but everything else is fine, so I'm not understanding. See, this is why I need to try. So yeah, so right now I'm about to head to my dad's house, because I told y'all I had to go get some stuff from there. And today we also hanging up the curtains, because we would have did it when we got the curtains, but I had left the drill at my dad's house, so I have to go over there and get some things. I don't even know if he's gonna be there, because he's supposed to be doing something today. So, but of course I still have a key, so that's no issue. So, and then I need to go to Target to see if I can find them soap dispensers again, because y'all, I was so freaking mad. It ruined my whole night, because I've been looking high and low for them things, and it drops as soon as I get, like, take it out the pack. Like, it dropped on the floor. So yeah, it took me about 45 minutes to get to my dad's house, and hopefully my camera stay charged while I'm out all day, because I forgot to charge it last night, and I need to get another battery for this camera. But later, do I go this way? I think I'm going the right way. No, I'm not going the right way. Now I gotta go all the way back around. I will get back with y'all once I get to my dad's house. I'm not gonna be there for long, honestly. I'm just going to pick up my stuff and then I'm leaving out, because it's supposed to rain, freezing rain today, and I'm really not even trying to be out while it's doing it. And it said I'm supposed to start till 3 o'clock, but you just never know with the weather, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to my dad's house really quick. Really, bitch? Oh my god, I swear to god, I hate people like getting on this highway and driving. This is, you really gotta, oh my god, like I hate it. Like you did all of that and you didn't get no fucking where. Like what? Anyway, let me put this camera down so I could concentrate on driving, and I will hit y'all up later. What's up, y'all? So I'm back. I just left my dad's house. Like I said, in and out, in and out. I just got my coat that I left, my drill that I left. I had a belt over there that I got. These roads slippery. Over here it is, because where we live at, it ain't slippery like this. I almost fell down my dad's steps, the porch steps. But I'm finna go to Target. I'm just so surprised on how I can't find my gel. Like, I'm just so surprised. Because it was a brand new jar of gel and my sister talking about something she ain't have it, but I know she do. I know she do. So I'm finna go to Target and then go to the Dollar Tree over here and then head back towards the house. So of course they didn't have them, but I saw these wire ones. You can't really, these, and I just got 3 of those. I got me some popcorners and I got me a candy bar just to snack on because I'm hungry. Now I'm finna head to the gas station and get back on the highway. And then I will get back with y'all once we get to the grocery store. I don't know where we're going first. We might go to Sam's. Wherever we go, I will let y'all know. So
They always do. That will be getting this calcium.
what's up, you guys? It has been a little later. Today has been absolutely hectic. As you guys saw earlier, we went grocery shopping and everything like that. I am currently in my closet. Let me actually sit down. I want to show y'all my slippers I got from Target. Okay, you guys, so this is my robe I got for Christmas from my mom. Victoria's Secret. Is super soft. And I just got out the shower and I smell amazing. I smell like cookies, but I smell like vanilla cookies, period. The fragrance I have on is this one from that I showed you guys that I showed you guys in the vlog earlier. This fragrance that I got from Target. It smells amazing, and I have that right here where all of my fragrances are at the moment. And then y'all, I got these slippers. They're so soft, oh my god, from Target. They were $10. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come on here and end this vlog out because I will be starting a new vlog tomorrow, a weekly vlog starting tomorrow, and I'm super excited about that. Tomorrow I have a bunch of stuff to do to plan for the week. I have to go back to the grocery store and get all of my fruits and stuff for my smoothies this week because I didn't get them at the store. I don't know why, excuse me. I don't know why, because I didn't have like the list of fruit that I actually need, but I'm about to go in there and I'm about to cut up all the fruit so it could be froze, put it in the freezer. I got mangoes, I got pineapple, I got strawberry, banana. So all of that stuff needs to be frozen because I'm only going to be using it for smoothies. And then I also got raspberry, I think. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and do that. I'm finna go ahead and put on some chill clothes. Like I said, today has been a lot. It is now 9 o'clock, and I usually be in the bed by this time. I'm not even gonna lie, because I'm very tired. So I'm finna go in here and cut up this fruit and put it in the freezer, and then I'm gonna get in the bed and chill. I already have my weekly. I don't have my weekly. I have the stuff planned that I have to do Monday. Like I said, we are starting a new workout journey, you guys, and we are staying consistent. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick little life update. As you guys can see, you probably can see that I gained a lot of weight within the last few months, probably within the last year, honestly. And that's only because probably just quarantine and me not being as disciplined as I should be. And I totally take accountability for that. I'm not even gonna put it on anybody else because it was me. I was a little bit over the top when it came to not caring about my weight or not caring about how I look, but that is changing this year, you guys. By this was today is January 8th. By probably, let's just say by December 8th of this year, it's going to be a totally different me, I promise you. And you guys are going to see that. I want you guys to come back to this video when December 8th comes. I want you guys to come back to this video and look at my difference and look at the difference in that video. So yeah, you guys, I'm sticking to that. So tomorrow I have to take the stuff back to Home Goods that I'm not gonna use. I'm going to the nail shop to get my nails and my toes done because that is another goal, to keep myself upkeep. Probably by Valentine's Day I'm gonna have a new hairstyle. I only had this hairstyle because we were going to be doing a lot as far as like moving, and I don't want to have to worry about my hair being all over the place and all of that. So I'll probably take these down probably at the end of the month. I got them at the beginning of December. Probably like the second week of December. So I'll probably keep them in for the rest of the month, and then I'll do my hair. Like I really want, because I do need to go to get a get it cut, because I want it cut short, not super short, but cut like in a bob, so I can get most of the color cut out of my hair so it could grow fully and healthy like it needs to be. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it up, and then keep wigs or keep like quick weaves and stuff in my hair so my hair could grow faster. But yeah, you guys, I just came to talk to y'all for a minute before I end out this vlog. We are staying consistent this year. I'm gonna say this in every video until we have a consistent schedule. So this vlog will probably come out, I probably want to say maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. This vlog will come out, just because I just uploaded a video on Thursday, and I want to keep a good tight schedule when it comes to uploading, because tomorrow's vlog is going to be a weekly vlog. That's going to be Sunday, probably the Sunday vlog, or Sunday to Saturday, Sunday to Friday, one of those. So yeah, I just want to say that I love you guys, and I thank you guys so much for being here, because I wouldn't be here without you guys, and I appreciate it so much. And we're gonna grow and grow and grow. So yeah, y'all, I will catch y'all in the next vlog. Bye.